In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite 15 minutes. In the next few moments, you will learn how to quickly check what you have scheduled, create a new post, add your message and media, and then schedule it to go out at the right time. The goal is to keep everything fast and simple, while still making sure your content is set up correctly. First, open Hootsuite and look at the left sidebar. You will click Calendar to quickly check your upcoming content queue. This is the place where you can see what is already planned and when it will be published. If you are not sure what is coming next, the calendar view helps you get that overview right away without hunting through multiple menus. Take a moment to notice the layout, since it usually shows scheduled items in a timeline format. Once you have confirmed your upcoming content, you are ready to create something new. Next, in the top left corner, click plus Create a Post. This button starts the posting workflow. You might see a panel or editor open after you click it, and that is where you will build your post from start to finish. If you do not see the editor immediately, wait a second, because sometimes the workspace takes a moment to load. Now that you are in the post creation area, you will select your target social accounts. Use the drop-down menu to choose which accounts will receive this post. This step matters because it determines where your message and media will appear. Make sure you select the accounts you actually want to publish to, especially if you manage multiple platforms. Look for the drop-down options and choose the accounts that match your campaign or your audience. With your account selected, you can now prepare the content itself. Type your message into the text field in the editor. Keep your wording clear and aligned with the goal of your post. As you type, review how the text will fit, since social platforms may handle line breaks and character counts differently. If you see any helper indicators or formatting previews, use them to guide your message length and readability. After your message is entered, you will add your media. Drag and drop your media files into the editor. This might include images, videos, or other supported files. As you drag the files in, watch for visual confirmation that the upload has started or completed. Once the media appears, take a quick look to ensure it is placed correctly and looks the way you expect. This is your chance to catch issues before you schedule anything. Next, you will schedule the post for later. Click Schedule for Later, then select a recommended time slot. Choosing a recommended slot can help you match typical engagement patterns for your audience without needing to calculate everything manually. When you click the time slot, you should see it reflected in the scheduler, so you know exactly when the post will publish. Finally, click Schedule to confirm. This sends your post to your publishing queue at the chosen time. At this point, it is a good idea to return to your calendar view if needed, so you can verify that the scheduled item shows up in the right time window. That quick check helps you feel confident that everything is set correctly, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.